In the name of Allah, the most efficient, the most merciful, may His endless blessings and peace be upon the noblest prophets, his household, and his companions. Before I begin, let us take a moment to pay tribute to the courageous warriors and devoted members of this remarkable organization, to the growth and success of this Al-Akhyaar Islamic Foundation, AKIF, remain worthy of our deepest appreciation. In particular, firstly, please let's kindly have a standing ovation reciting Surah Al-Akhyaar for the soul of these wonderful people. In particular, we honor Al-Akhyaar, the first Al-Khair, and Al-Akhyaar, the first Al-Khair of this foundation, and Al-Akhyaar Isa Arulullah, the first welfare officer of their esteemed organization. Please, kindly let's recite Surah Al-Ikhlas. May Allah continue to be pleased with their soul. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwa Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Thank you. May Allah grant comfort to their families, forgive their shortcomings, and reward them abundantly for their service. Amen. Today, I am honored to share my thoughts and objectives for this mining conference centered on the theme Challenges of Startup Business in Nigeria, Navigating a Difficult Economy to Build a Lasting Legacy as a Muslim entrepreneur. One of the key observations I have made within our community, especially among Islamic societies, is the tendency to view challenges strictly through a spiritual lens, or to feel restrained by the lack of capital. While faith and patience are vital, I believe this mindset limits our potential. I have witnessed individuals rise above financial and environmental constraints through knowledge, discipline, and faith-driving strategy. It is also evident that many aspiring entrepreneurs lack the essential knowledge about the ventures they undertake. Some depend solely on istikhara, assuming that a positive indication automatically guarantees success without effort or understanding. This approach, though spiritually sincere, often neglects the wisdom of preparation, learning, and perseverance. Allah reminds us through Hadith Qudsi, حيث قال فاعرفوني قبل أن تعبدوني. Know me before you worship me. If you don't know me, how will you worship me? This profound message forms the essence of our gathering today, to combine knowledge, faith, and action in pursuit of excellence and sustainability as Muslim entrepreneurs. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed discussants today. Permit me to recognize the presence of my President General, Oluwadamilare Alim, my Baba did in absentia, Iya did in absentia, my amiable friends, Sheikh Ridwan Sheikh Khadimu, Coach, and our discussants, the organizers of this great event, that is the Board of Executive of AKIF Foundation, and every participant here today. May this conference mark the beginning of greater things for us all. Amen. Jazakumullahu khairan.